Alright, today we're at the Arcadia show and we get to see a 1910 Ericsson hot air engine that's extremely rare at this show. The gentleman tells us a story and he actually digs it out of the ground. Very interesting engine.
Interesting story. The guy was at the show. I don't know if you would know him or not. John Kendall. He lived in Long Island. And he was at a show. Yeah, you're going to have to get right down. And the guy came up to us and said, I know where there's an engine buried in the ground. And he says, you want to go check it out? He says, yeah.
Stove padding?
It's mineral wool insulation material.
So like fire stuff, yeah. Yeah, I use that for fire stuff.
It's good for up to around 2,000 degrees. It's right there.
It's funny. Your engine's so red I couldn't see the red indicator on. Where are you from? Long Island?
We're in Pennsylvania. And you're thinking, never heard of it.
What's your local show?
Cool Spring.
Lucky you.
Yes.
You're one of the few lucky.
70 miles for me.